which among the following is the major components of cell wall of most fungi? The correct answer is option A, chitin. In fungi, the cell wall is primarily made up of chitin, which is a polysaccharide composed of N-acetylglucosamine units. And chitin provides structural support and rigidity to the cell wall of fungi. So the answer is option A, chitin. Option B, peptidoglycan. It is a major component of the cell walls of bacteria, not fungi. So option B is incorrect. Option C, cellulose. Cellulose is the primary component of plant cell walls, not fungi. So C is incorrect. D, hemicellulose. It is also found in plant cell wall along with cellulose, and it is not a major component of fungal cell wall as well. So the correct answer is chitin.